What is this woman's question? What is your question? She has a problem with her knee. There was a case when the knee joint became blocked and stopped moving. A lot of fluid accumulated in the joint. The knee was completely blocked. And she doesn't know why this happened. There was no injury. Master Mu Yuchun asked to see her tongue. He diagnoses based on the tongue. All right, look at me. It's normal. Do this movement by gently biting your tongue. She says that her tongue hurts when doing this movement, and it feels very sensitive, like being pricked. Don't do it too hard. Do this tongue massage, and then swallow the saliva. Tongue massage is the first step. Secondly, massage this point on the leg, just below the knee. Does it hurt? Is it swelling and knee pain? Yes, swelling. You can find this point along this line, next to the bone. Your finger will stop at this spot. Next point. Watch how to find it. Place 4 fingers above the ankle bone. Here. Then, measure another 4 fingers up the leg, or slightly more. It's getting warm. First point. Second point. Clear? 1, 2, 3. There is also a 4th point located below the bone, in a hollow space. Look, this is the bone. Draw a line and find the hollow. Massage here. Also massage the side area near the heel. Let's remove the sock. All right. Next, here. Then massage this point. Next, massage this point. And then massage this point. Master, all these points hurt her. Master, please tell us, if all these points are painful, what does it mean? It means the circulation of fluids in the body is disrupted, a blockage. Do you understand? Massage yourself from bottom to top. Do it like this. Master, when these small indentations appear, what does it mean? It's water retention, swelling. Fluid accumulates in the tissues. They ask, which meridian is this? Kidneys? Yes, kidneys. Look, There is another method. Take a mugwort cigar, moxibustion therapy, light it, and heat the same points on the kidney meridian. This helps. An even better method. Oh, hands are wet. And cold hands? Yes. Massage the point on the hand, at the junction of the thumb and index finger. This massage helps reduce swelling in the legs. Subscribe to our channel. More interesting content ahead. Do the same on the other hand.
Et on travaille sur le méridien des reins pour faire mieux circuler pour le drainage.
Share your experience with this massage in the comments.
Это хороший или нет?
Is this mugwort cigar good? I don't know.
Ça ressemble à ça, mais il dit que comme c'est la science déjà qui a commencé à faire ça, c'est pas très clair pour lui.
Friends, look. Friends, look. Next, we find the navel. Draw an imaginary line backward. Massage this spot on the back.
Donc, au niveau de l'ombril, massez le dos, le lombaire. Au niveau de l'ombril, donc vous massez pas plus bas, pas plus haut.
Yes. Look, the projection of this point, navel on the back. Look again. Here.
L'ombril et lombaire. Non, attention, lombaire c'est tout. C'est tout. Mais le point, il est le sol dans les lombaires. Donc il faut que oui, c'est oui. L'ombril. Et donc au niveau de l'ombril ici.
Navel. Here. Look. We massage this spot. Master, is this spot on the bone or nearby? Look, this is the spine. The point is located in the middle of the spine. This point is called the Gate of Life, or in Chinese, Ming Men, Ming Men. In the front, the navel and umbilical cord are the door of maternal energy. In the back, the door of life. Look further. From this spot, 2 fingers to the side, is the Shen Shu point, also known as the kidney energy accumulation point. It can be said that this entire lower back area is important. Look, on both the left and right, both areas are important. Look, this massage should always be done. I will show you how. You need to make these body movements while massaging. Can I also massage myself? Yes. Yes, you can. This massage helps strengthen female energy. It also strengthens male energy. The kidneys regulate water in the body and urination. If fluids do not circulate well in the legs swell. This massage solves that problem.
Donc il y a circulation qui est faible et ce massage-là aide à circuler mieux pour faire sortir. Donc 3
Find a point on the arm. 3 fingers above the wrist.
Ça y est, mon cerveau ne marche pas.
Does it hurt?
Ça, on parle des problèmes des poumons après le Covid.
Friends, did you see? A little more than 3 fingers.
3 doigts.
拿掐了，
Ça, c'est...
拿掐了，哎，这没事的。
You can massage this entire area.
Tout ce qui est à 4 doigts depuis le poignet, vous cherchez
Look
le
at me.
point,
First
le
press,
point dans cette
then
zone-là.
rotate.
Et dès que vous le trouvez,
Then
vous le massez.
we massage this area at the
Mais
base
en
of the
fait, en
thumb.
commençant des 3 doigts, on peut chercher le point jusqu'à 4. Ensuite, ce qu'il a montré hier,
Then
cette
we
zone-là.
rub this spot.
Donc, un point et en frottant.
Then we apply
Ensuite,
pressure
le
on the
point qui
point
va
close to the
légèrement
bone.
de côté, jusqu'à os. Dès qu'on trouve
For
l'os,
participation
juste en bas de l'os,
or
il y a un
seminar
point.
organization,
Donc,
contact us.
Normalement, il est douloureux s'il y a des problèmes.
This point is located at the border, between the back of the hand, darker skin, and the palm, lighter skin. On her hand, you can see it well,
C'est noir.
dark and light.
Noir,
We
blanc.
draw a line on
La
the border.
frontière entre les deux.
哎，马萨莎，
We do
C'est
the
à la
massage.
frontière de ce point-là.
Understood?
Elle dit qu'on voit très bien sur sa peau la frontière. Ouais.
不能干去。
Are you crying? She's crying because it hurts. Yes. Endure it. Endure it.
Mais même si ça fait mal, ayez patience et
哎，这没
continuez.
事的。
This spot looks like the spine of a fish, like a fish's back.
Cet endroit-là, c'est comme le dos de poisson.
干黑不死比那。哎，
Do this kind of massage. Does it
把
hurt?
力去，
Et,
把马干去。
et,
This will help
oui,
you.
et c'est douloureux, donc ça va aider aux poumons.
什么特力强？得了。
Look, this is for you.
C'est pour vous, exceptionnellement.
From this point,
À la frontière,
we move to the
de
point
zone.
between the thumb and index
Ensuite,
finger.
le point ici.
哎，过去去。
Massage this point
C'est
here,
au milieu de
on the
deux
bone.
os qu'il a montré hier.
把动物什么的？哎，
Ensuite,
Then,
ici,
massage
au
the bone
milieu
of the
de cet
index
os-là.
finger.
哎，百里如果过去去，那
This
一个啦
spot is close to the
这是一个
bone.
啦。
This is where
Il faut
acupuncture
chercher
needles
là,
are
donc,
placed.
d'abord
对
ça.
什么特力去把动物？哎，没劲了。
Then, we turn the
哎，没劲
hand
了。
and look for
Voyez,
points on the
quand
pinky side.
elle plie le doigt, il y a-
Did you
il y a-
see the
il y a-
crease of
il y a
the
la
fingers
ligne.
and the
哎，
wrist?
把动物哎，这没
Now
事
this
没劲了
spot, did you see?
Entre
Here,
entre
we
l'os
find the
et
point
cet endroit-là,
and massage it.
il cherche le point.
把力去捏，明
Does it hurt? Right here it hurts.
什么特力去？
Look, you need to rub the first and second points.
Masser.
接力去，
These points help the kidneys function properly.
把马干去包起给。
This
Ça aide
massage
le rein aussi.
will also help resolve your issue with leg swelling. Master,
Ça aide.
are there 4 points? No, this is
挨
something
着挨
different.
着得了过呀，挨着得了谁呀？
Ça, c'est pour le cou.
挨着得了谁呀？
C'est pour le cou, là, où il montre.
嘿嘿，牙多拉个，
Ah non, je suis bête.
The point on the bend of the pinky finger is for the
得
neck.
了谁呀？
C'est pour le cou.
大，捏捏。
But
哎
here,
什么的直接
you
上
need
了
to massage the raised area of the hand. This
Voyez,
bulge.
il y a le cercle là, encerclé. Donc en bas,
大
cette zone-là.
Это почки, мастер?
大。
Are these kidney points, Master? Yes.
Si on masse tout ça,
This massage is enough. I will show you again.
vous avez mal aux os.
This spot is located
Il y a
close to
le
the
douleur
bone.
des os.
Arthrose partout, hein.
Да, у нее болит кость.
She feels pain here. The bone hurts. You still need to do the massage.
Donc c'est l'œdème qui fait que je n'arrive pas à perdre du poids.
Non, c'est pas que l'œdème, j'ai l'impression que vous avez. Говорит, одна только проблема.
She says her
это
only
вода.
problem is water retention in the body, swelling.
Это только вода? Главная
Is the
проблема.
problem only
Какая
related to
проблема?
water retention in the body? Is this the main
La
issue?
graisse des reins. Et ça,
She has weak
après,
kidneys.
le reste, c'est
All
les
these points on the
œdèmes,
legs are
le
for the
squelette,
kidneys.
tout ça. C'est
包
la
起给
suite.
挖不落。
If there is an
C'est la
issue with the
suite
kidneys,
des
then the liver is
reins,
also
des
weak.
reins en faiblesse.
大大，
Do this massage every day. Do it in your free time. Massage yourself a little this point. Then massage this point a bit.
C'est pas obligé de faire tous les points de suite. Mais un petit moment.
Then there will definitely be a good result.
И тоже упражнения, да?
Should additional exercises be done as well? Yes, all of our exercises should be done.
Tous les exercices qu'on a fait ici.
Without our basic exercise for finding the magnetic field, the effect will be weak. Thank you, thank you. To participate in or organize seminars, contact us